Okay, so we're trying to unbox this pair from Charles & So, ano ba yung mga top 3 pairs na pag OFW dapat meron ka? So, una, kailangan mo ng black shoes. You need a black pair. Why? Naka 50% off. Sulit, di ba? Dahil, syempre, kapag may black shoes ka, pwede to sa dress, pwede sa mga ganyan. Pwede to sa shorts, pag may meeting ka. So, pwede yan sa lahat. And then, moving forward, so, itabi na natin yan. So, yan yung first unboxing video. First, hindi talaga ako marunong mag-unbox na anything. Kasi usually, if I buy something, I think, sabi ko nga dun sa dati kong vlog, na hindi naman talaga ako bumibili ng anything that I don't use. Most of my shoes, na next time, ipapakita ko sa inyo, bilang OFW, kailangan lahat ng gamit mo, gamit na gamit mo. Otherwise, sayang naman, kasi binili mo nga, diba? So, the next pair that I wanna show you is, ito naman yung pair na, diba ang cute? Ito yung parang meet me at a cafe type of shoes. Na tipong, wala, pwede sa office, pwedeng ipang simba, o kaya naman pwedeng i-cafe, meet up with friends, dinner with the boyfie, with the hubby, ganyan, kasi hindi masakit sa paa. Most of my friends are teachers here in Thailand, so talagang kailangan, syempre, if you're dealing with kids, I used to be a teacher before working in the hospitality industry. So, see, I scored it from 1,790 baht, 537 na lang. Gina-justify ko why I have 2 pairs. So, super pretty. So, it's so nice, and I'm size 36. So, why I love Charles & Keith? Una, dahil I've had the same brand, tapos tumatagal talaga siya. Pero, ang downside niya, pag hindi mo ginamit, magbabakbak. So, you really have to use whatever it is that you bought. So, ang cute niya. To be honest, I'm not comfortable like trying this on in front of you. So, ano ko na lang, i-try ko. Nasuot ko na siya. Hindi din ako masyado sa editing. So, but I will try. So, may buckle siyang ganito. And then, so I'll just remove it. Para hindi, tapos, if I wear it, ganito siya. Aray ko. Ganyan siya. Ganyan. So, ganyan na yung itsura niya. Diba? Pasensya naman. Hindi na ako makatayo. Yan. Tapos, ganyan siya. So, cute siya kasi siya masyadong mataas. And the next pair that I was able to discover from Charles & Keith, ito talaga, I've been looking for this pair for a long time. And I'm glad that as a birthday treat to myself, talaga namang binili ko siya. So, comment down below kung sa tingin nyo, have or wale. Pero para sa akin, hindi naman kailangan ng mahal, pero hindi ba nakakakilig? I am looking for a nude pointed toe heel at hindi ko siya makita. And I've seen this pair for several times, pero parang lagi akong, ay, ang mahal, ganyan. Hintayin ko na lang mag-sale, ganyan. Tapos, hinintay ko, and then, guess what? Tinin! I got it. So, pag OFW kasi, naintindihan naman natin na pandemya ngayon, kailangan nating magtipid. Pero, syempre, kapag meron ka namang pinaghirapan, you also have to spend something for yourself. No, I'm not trying to encourage everyone na wag magtipid during this pandemic, na bumili ng shoes over anything basic. But what I'm trying to say is that if you will be able to use something in the future to for your career or for work or for a special occasion, you just have to make it happen kasi you know, you have to wear your best shoes, best pair, because you have the competition is tough outside, and you really have to put your best foot forward. I think lahat ng to less than 3K baht, almost 2,400 for all of this. Maba 500 at 500 700, so 1,295 plus another 700, so almost 2,000. Pero I got like 3 pairs already, and I've got them all for like 70%, most of them off. So I think that's my first unboxing, unprofessional unboxing video. Kasi for me, if you're an OFW, you should be able to have at least one nude pair, one pair of pretty shoes, and then one pair of this. Hindi naman talaga, yung basic lang. Kasi I don't like anything fancy. Wala namang masama siguro if you will get the best pair for yourself, dahil naman din kailangan mong presentable ka din and comfortable, kesa naman bibili ka nga ng mura. I tried kasi, I bought a pair for about 400 baht, yung sa gilid. Girls, nakakahiya kasi umulan tapos nabasa yung pair. Tapos umangat na yung swelas, yung mga ganon. So parang, diba, it's better to wait and then just get something that you really like than having to end up paying extra more just because you were too in a hurry to get something, even if you really don't want it. Just to say that as long as you can use it, pwede naman yun. But the thing is, if you would really like to match everything and you would like to invest in your corporate attire, you have to start with your shoes first. Kasi yung mga damit naman, we can all get a decent shirt or polo shirt, plain at that, na hindi naman natin kailangan gumastos. But for me, you have to be very comfortable with the shoes. And it has to be minimal, and the material should be synthetic or magandang quality. Hindi din kailangan mahal para masabi na maganda. Kailangan malaman mo ano ba talaga yung trabaho mo. Like for me, I work for hospitality, so syempre yung shoes ko iba din kasi nga I have to run around, I have to meet clients from time to time, I have my meetings from time to time. Pero lately wala naman tayong mga expos, so madali lang kasing i-partner kapag meron ka talagang kagaya nito. Hindi siya mahirap i-partner sa ibang colors. And I'm also trying to limit my spending sa pagbili ng mga small purchases, and I end up not using those purchases dahil hindi ko naman gusto. So this time, let's be mindful about what we really like, so we'll end up buying the things that we really like to use, and in that way we maximize each spending. So yun lang ang masishare ko regarding the top 3 pairs that an OFW should use, at hindi po to sponsor ng Charles & Keith. Sana lang. Just in case, hello, baka naman. But I think for the price point, check kung sale. Kasi kung hindi to sale, hindi ko din bibilin kahit gustong gusto ko. So, comment down below if you have experience doing something like this or unboxing something like this, or if you have something in mind regarding a pair of an OFW. Ipapakita ko yung mga luma kong pair, yung mga na-score ko sa Tiangge, yung mga nakuha ko sa thrift store, yung mga nakuha ko sa swap experience ko dito sa BKK. But for the meantime, ito po muna tayo. So, mag-iingat kayo at maraming salamat. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Sana po nakatulong ako. Thank you!